Hello, Krones is back here in Bangkok at the ProPak Exhibition 2022. After almost 2 years during the COVID pandemic, we have decided to come here this year because we wanted to use the opportunity to meet with our customers, to discuss with them their future in the industry, and also to introduce them to our new solutions which we have developed in the meantime.
My name is Peter and this is probably my 20th ProPak, and I'm very happy after 2 years COVID to be back here in the Biotech Exhibition Center to welcome old and new customers, and I'm surprised to have so many exhibitors and visitors here.
In ProPak Asia LCS, we present Krones Shop, which is e-business from Krones. There are a lot of new features available related on spare part information. Especially this year, we have 3D printer, which is connected to the Krones Shop. This means you can print the spare part from the 3D printer at your plant. This technology is support emergency case and also conventional parts in future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Max Duclot, from Head of Sales of Aseptic in Krones. It's our day 2 in ProPak. We have a lot of audience today, a lot of customers. It's fine because it's the first exhibition since 2 years. And well, people are coming. We have new customers, existing customers, of course, so it's a good mix. A lot of new projects. People seem very excited by the show. We are very happy of that. It's a good signal that the business is back.
Hello everyone, my name is Siang and I'm the Head of Process Sales for Krones Izumi Singapore. We are very delighted and excited to be back in ProPak 2022, and we are looking forward for the face-to-face discussion with the customers on our booth. We are excited to show them the key technologies and the core technologies about how our group is able to offer them, especially the multi-purpose extractors that is able to do the extraction process at the best sustainable way for the production of ready-to-drink beverages. Thank you.
Ba 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 da da.